Our next guest here in Berlin at IFA has some young, fresh smartphones and some pretty cool home automation things to chat about. He's head of sales for a company called Yezz, like yes, only with 2 Z's, and BeeWi, like a B-WI. We'll get into some of the goodies. David Thornley, welcome into Tomorrow.
Thanks, Dave. Thanks for having us on.
It's our pleasure. So first of all, what is Yezz?
Okay, Yezz, as you said, young, fresh company, manufacturer of mobile phones, lifestyle brand, brand new company. Only been going up for 2 years. Established in Latin America, so many sales, over 8 million sales in Latin America.
Oh wow! So you
well.
might only be a couple of years old, but you've got a track record
That's
already.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah.
So we've practiced on the manufacturing. We've finalised the sales, and we have fantastic new products.
Cool.
Covering both platforms now on Android and also the Windows.
And do these power up, or they're just
they
demo?
Certainly do.
Oh, okay.
They certainly do.
I'm
so
looking for a power button. You conceal them
on
well.
The side.
On
we
the
do.
side.
Well, they're so slim.
Yeah, they're very slim. I'll let you power them up
excellent.
because
so the one you have
can.
Here is the Android.
Oh, okay.
It's a 5-inch smartphone.
Nice.
As you can see, it's 6.9 millimeters thin. Excellent design.
I mean, there's virtually no weight to this thing either.
Exactly. Yes.
You almost don't even know you're holding anything.
And inside it has an octa-core processor, so super quick processing, very fast.
Very
and
cool.
also dual SIM, which is great for the business user or the international traveler. Very rare.
You're saying dual SIM?
Dual SIM.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Terrific. So yeah, that's handy, especially for folks like us that travel a lot, and someone like me who loves Android.
Yeah.
Dual SIM is very handy because, of course, the international travel or the business person who's concerned about making sure they have a local number and otherwise. So
correct. Yeah.
Very
13
neat.
megapixel camera. And front-facing camera, 5 megapixels. So as you can see, a lot of spec rammed into such a thin.
Yeah, most front-facing cameras don't even come close to that. So if you want to have that real high-def selfie, you can get that with the Yezz. And what model is this again?
This is the Andy. The Andy.
The Andy, as in Android.
Correct.
Oh, how clever.
the Android.
The Andy. All right, and it's available now. You say?
It certainly is.
In the U.S. as well.
Yes, it
For
is.
how much?
The US price, I'm not too sure. In the Europe, it is 179.
Oh,
euros.
okay. So either way, it's probably under $200. I'm going to hope.
Is.
Okay.
Yes,
and on what carriers are they? Carrier specific at this point, or?
Again, I can't comment too much on the American market.
No problem. I don't mean to try to pin you down on all this,
okay.
but I'm hearing our listeners in my head, saying, okay, great, can I have it? Does it work on Verizon? Does it work on Sprint?
I'm sure
whatever.
If you go onto Yezz.com, there'll be more information.
There you go. And that's appropriate. Yezz.com, Yezz.com. And then here's another version.
This is seems to be out of power at the moment.
Okay, no problem, but I'm going to assume it's got a very nice display.
It certainly does.
It certainly has a lot of fingerprints on it. There I'm showing that.
Full HD display. This is on the Windows platform.
Okay.
So you're the first to launch on Windows outside of Nokia.
Yeah.
It's the thinnest and lightest Windows phone on the market. This one's only 7.2 millimeters thin.
Yeah, it's very thin. Again, very lightweight.
4.7-inch screen.
Nice.
Packed full with the same features, the dual SIM. It's a quad-core processor, 13 megapixel camera.
Very cool. And also with the Yezz logo, Y-E-Z-Z, on the back right there.
All of our handsets come in the box with 3 back covers. So
really?
Personalization.
All of the handsets. So you can be fashionable out of the box.
That's
and not have to spend any more money on them.
Correct.
All right, very cool. Now this other little thing that's here on the desk is interesting. Is this part of? Oh wait, there's something else with the phones that you wanted to show me.
I'm just going into the app now for the BeeWi product.
Okay, very good. The BeeWi product is part of your home automation service.
That's correct.
Okay.
That's correct.
And tell us what happens here. You obviously download an app.
Yes, you download a free app from BeeWi. This is the smart tracker. So within the app, you can set the distance that you want an alarm to go off from the 2 devices, ranging from 1 meter up to 50 meters. So you can attach it to your dog or a child or a mobile phone or something.
Your wife.
Yeah.
Whatever.
The important things in your life.
Yes.
And the tracker and the phone will both set an alarm off when they break that distance, whether it be short, whether it be long.
So you're not
If
going to
you've lost-
forget something important that
Correct.
you need to
if
make
you have
sure
it on
you
your
have.
keys and you walk away and you don't have your keys, the alarm
Yeah.
will go off on your phone, or the other way around. If you leave without your mobile but have your keys,
Oh, so then
the tracker will
this
go off.
little device
It
will go
certainly
off.
does.
So it's a little device about the size of a quarter, if you will. Americans would know that, and with a little keychain loop, so that you
Correct.
can simply put it on, as you say, anything
Yeah,
important to you.
That's it. That's it.
And I can see from the other end, like a restaurant or something,
Yeah.
you could be leaving your phone.
Yeah, and added feature for those that like the selfie. There's a feature inbuilt. You can quickly move to the camera, and then you press the tracker. So if you hold your phone, press your tracker to take the snap.
Okay, so I'm going to hold the tracker here just so they get the idea, but I'm going to press the button. Nice, and there it is. I'm going to load your phone up with selfies, but now we're going to put the selfie of you too. I'm going to push the button, so you say, "Look at that!" When I was on Into Tomorrow, and we'll get a selfie of Chris in there, trying to zoom in on everything. But that's very cool and handy, because let's face it, sometimes you just want to prop your phone up somewhere, maybe,
Correct.
and then it's nice to have a little
Yes.
remote. That's
Yes.
kind of an added bonus.
That is. It is.
Now, does the
Two
button
features
do
in one.
other things as well?
No, this is it. This is it. So
It's your selfie button.
It is. Yeah. Or if you lose your phone and you want to find your phone, you push the button on here, and the alarm will instantly go off on your phone, so you can locate it at home or if you're out and about.
Very good. I love it. You guys have thought of some very cool things.
We
so
have.
Keep that up. And the website to visit, first of all, you mentioned Yezz.com is
Yes.
probably the easiest. YEZZ.com. Can we also get BeeWi info there?
Correct.
Perfect. You got to do that. YEZZ.com. We'll link you there when you visit us at intotomorrow.com. David, thanks for spending a few minutes with us. Back
Excellent.
with more from Berlin, Germany. I'm Dave Graveline at IFA 2014, and we continue. Don't go away.